Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and once again we've got for you one of our very own hand selected vehicles. As you've just seen there, the poster for the Auto Trader Retailer Awards 2022. So we're very proud to say that we came second out of 13,500 dealerships in the UK for the Customer Experience Award. And now back to this beauty. So here we have a 22 registered Porsche 911 T992 Carrera 4 GTS. So this vehicle comes in Aventurine Green metallic paintwork, and it comes with the GTS Interior Package as well. Very lucky to have sourced this vehicle. And as we walk around, I would like to explain that this car comes with £19,202 of factory fitted extra equipment. The list just goes on and on and on. Having covered just 3,600 miles, the car is absolutely immaculate. The finer detail there of where the handles present themselves to you when unlocking the car, and it just gets even better inside. So you can see there the sports chrono comes with the sports exhaust, got the adaptive sports seats with the electric memory package, and as we go to the top there, you'll see it's also got the electric slide tilt glass sunroof. Nice touch for the summer. Got the Alcantara steering wheel there. 18-way electric front seats. And as we go to the headlights, another one of the finer details. So you've got the tinted LED headlights with the matrix beam and Porsche dynamic light. I could walk around this car and go on and on and on, but for further information please visit the advertisement, have a look at our website. The full description with the specification is all on there. Hope you've enjoyed the walk around, and we'll look forward to speaking to you soon.